Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to convert Spaylater to GCash in 2024 guys. It's actually really easy and simple. Many people have been asking me this question. But all you need to do is open your Spaylater app, okay? Launch the Spaylater app on your device and just select the convert to cash option, okay? Just locate and tap on the convert to cash or an equivalent option, and then you want to just choose GCash as a cash out method. So under the cash out options, you just want to select Gcash, and guys, you just want to enter your amount and details like for any other payment method you would. Input the amount you wish to transfer and your Gcash account details, and then you just want to confirm and verify, guys. What you need to do is you need to review the details and confirm the transaction, and you may actually need to confirm some verification step. After that, guys, you just want to check your Gcash balance, and just open up GCash to confirm that you have actually transferred that amount. It's literally that easy and simple, guys. So if this video helps, make sure you hit that like button, guys. And comment down below if you still need help. I'll help you out in the comments below. Until next time, guys, make sure you subscribe